Okay, you're going to want to hear this, because it's a huge deal. What if I told you that Facebook is ready to cut you a check, right now, for videos you've already posted somewhere else? Nope, this isn't a rumor. It's a brand new strategy, and honestly, you could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table as we speak.
I mean, really let that sink in for a second. That video that went viral for you 6 months ago, or that clip that just crushed it on TikTok last year, well, Facebook now sees that as a cash asset. We're talking about a direct deposit for work you've already done. It sounds too good to be true, but I promise you it is happening right now.
So here's the bottom line. Meta has officially declared war, a platform war. They are tired of losing creators and eyeballs to TikTok and YouTube, so they've decided to stop competing for viewers and just start buying the creators directly. And trust me, they are being very aggressive about it.
And this all feeds into their master plan. Because let's be clear, this isn't some charity program. This is a cold, hard billion-dollar business move. See, Facebook has a massive problem, and it turns out if you're a creator, you are the exact solution they are willing to pay top dollar for. You know, the really interesting thing here is the psychology behind it. They know the biggest pain for any creator is starting from zero on a new platform. It's an absolute grind, right? So they've completely flipped the script. They're not just inviting you to their party, they are literally paying for your audience, your brand, and your entire back catalog of videos just to jumpstart their own platform.
So this all sounds amazing, but who actually gets the money? Let's get right into the specifics. They've made the qualifications incredibly simple because, well, they want to get as many established creators on board as fast as possible. There are really only two things they're looking for.
First off, you've got to be an eligible creator. And what does that mean? It's simple. It just means you've already put in the work somewhere else. If you have a real active community on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, congratulations. You are exactly who they are looking for. They want proven talent.
And second, it all comes down to two magic numbers. These are the milestones. Tier 1. If you have over 100,000 followers on another platform, you're in the game. And Tier 2. If you've already crossed that 1 million follower mark, you're in the top bracket. It's really that straightforward.
All right, this is the part you've been waiting for. We are not talking about potential ad revenue or hoping for brand deals. We are talking about a guaranteed, fixed monthly payment wired directly to your bank account from Meta. Let's break down the actual numbers.
If you have over 100,000 followers, you qualify for $1,000 a month. That's a direct payment just for being in the program. Just think about what an extra grand a month, guaranteed, could do for you and your content.
And if you're in that million-plus club, that number triples, $3,000 a month. This just shows how serious Meta is about getting top-tier talent and their best content onto Facebook's platform in front of their massive audience.
And this part is key. That paycheck is locked in. It's guaranteed for your first 3 months. Think of it like a 90-day risk-free trial where you get to test out the platform, build a whole new audience, and collect a serious amount of cash with zero uncertainty.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this is awesome, but I do not have time to make a bunch of new, original videos just for Facebook. And that's where we get to the most important part of this whole thing, the secret, the loophole that makes this an absolute no-brainer. This is the question on everyone's mind. What's the catch? Do I have to create exclusive content? Do I have to start a whole new production schedule just for Reels? And the answer, coming directly from the top, is a loud, resounding no.
I mean, this quote right here says it all. This isn't my interpretation. This is a direct quote from a Meta executive. They are explicitly telling you to take your greatest hits, your best performing videos from TikTok and Instagram, and just re-upload them to Facebook.
Let that sink in for a minute. 0. New work required. You could literally take your top 30 videos, schedule them to post on Facebook, and collect up to $9,000 over the next 3 months. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder.
So yeah, the short-term cash is incredible, but the real genius move here is using Facebook's money to build a brand new, long-term asset for yourself. So let's look at the strategy that takes you way beyond those first 90 days. So here's the playbook. Step 1, take your archive of winning videos and upload them. Step 2, collect your guaranteed money. But Step 3 is the long game. While you're getting paid, Facebook's algorithm is force-feeding your content to a new audience, basically building you a following on their platform for free. I mean, just look at how much the game has changed. The old way was just a painful grind, right? You start from zero, fight for every single view, and just hope to maybe get monetized one day. The new way? It's arbitrage. You import the brand you already built, you get a free algorithmic boost, and you get guaranteed pay from day one.
And what happens after those first 3 months? Well, the support doesn't just disappear. They've actually promised to keep boosting your reach to help you build a permanent, monetized audience. Plus, they're rolling out new, transparent metrics, like an earnings rate, so you'll know exactly what you're getting paid per view and why. No more guessing games. So here's the deal. Facebook has basically rolled out a welcome mat made of cash. They are paying you to upload your old videos so that they can build you a new audience on their platform. The opportunity is right there, the terms are crystal clear, and the money is guaranteed. The only question left is,